What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries with Edge Products here at SEMA 2018, and we're going to go over some of these products and check out what we got. Hey guys, Danny DeVries here at SEMA 2018 with Jared from Edge. Jared, let's talk about what you guys have to offer from top to bottom as far as products for
anything out there.
Yeah,
no, that's exactly what we're trying to display here. Basically, a lot of people see our monitor and think, oh, I have a gauge, that's it, or what. So what we're trying to show is everything that we have available on the Edge line for customers, trucks, gas or diesel trucks. So if you want monitoring, we have just monitoring capabilities. Maybe you want tuning, well, you can get a tuner, just does tunes, or a tuner and monitor, so you get all your gauges as well. That's gonna get the mid-price point, or you can go to the top of the end where the inline module. So instead of reprogramming your ECU, it's an inline module where you can actually adjust power levels on the fly, connect underneath your hood, depending on what you're doing. We have 7 3-liter chips here, juice with attitude on all the Power Stroke, Duramax, Cummins applications, but then you get all your gauges as well. So that's kind of the whole lining there. The other thing that we've really been focusing on over the year is our kitting. So since Edge is really known for tuning and monitoring, we wanted to get something else available, so we added our exhaust kits, our intake systems. So doing that, we made it a stage kit. So we have our stage 1, stage 2 kit. Basically, we realized that customers want to buy one product that fits together. So what we done was we took it, put everything together, and this is the right product for your truck. And so that's really what that focus is. The cool thing is no matter what kind of you get, monitoring, tuning, inline, we have a bunch of accessory systems that go along with it. So we have our EAS system for adding exhaust gas temperatures, boost settings, backup camera applications. So power switches, you can hook up to lit light bars and stuff if you wanted to incorporate it. But really looking at the monitor as a central command center for whatever you have in your vehicle that you want to control, you want to monitor, you want the tuning, everything all engaged. So that's really what we're trying to tell the story out here at SEMA this year. A lot of stuff still looks similar, but there's been a lot of software updates for new application coverages, new features coming out, new EAS stuff's coming out. They'll be really exciting for some customers out there running our monitor. So there's some things coming, but really just trying to tell the whole story. So
yeah, you guys literally have something for everyone, especially when it comes to tuning and such. That's what I'm running is a CTS2 on my truck, EAS for my lit light bars. Fantastic to have that central control right there. Hey guys, if you guys want to find out more about Edge products and which Edge products might be right for you, check them out. Go to edgeproducts.com.